welcome. Come this way, please. Taiyaki. Taiyaki is a Japanese dessert. It is shaped like a small chubby fish and tastes sweet and delicious. Make the batter. Crack 3 eggs. Add the sugar. Add the honey. Add the flour and sift it. Bake taiyaki. Add half of the batter first. Cheese filling. Purple yam filling. Cheese filling. Cheese filling. And then add the rest of the batter to cover the filling. Close the baking tray and bake it. Wow, I love the sweet smell of taiyaki. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. The taiyaki is ready. Awesome! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.